Good morning. This is our Hoover Headlines Perspectives. In this short segment, we will be talking to some of our fifth grade students. Hello. Can you say your name and what grade did you start attending Hoover Elementary?
My name is Luis Jimenez, and I started attending Hoover Elementary in 3rd grade.
My name is Hector, and I started attending Hoover Elementary since 3rd grade.
Going back to your time here at Hoover, did you have any unforgettable or favorite moments that happened to you here?
I will never forget the time that I fell on stage. How did I fall on stage? I fell in, it was a dance, yeah, and I fell on the cape. I know.
I will never forget the time when my teacher, Miss Hernandez, chose me as the Citizen of the Month because I was being polite.
Of all the teachers that you have had here, which one of them will you remember most?
Of all the teachers I had at Hoover, I will never forget Miss Hernandez because she's the most loving and caring teacher.
Did you make any friends here at Hoover?
Of all the teachers I have had at Hoover, I will never forget Miss Hernandez because she let me be the Citizen of the Month.
Did you make friends? Did you make any friends here at Hoover, and will they go to the same school with you?
I made some friends here, maybe a lot, but they're not gonna go to the school I'm going to.
I made some friends at Hoover. Some of them are gonna go to my school, but some of them aren't. Like Louise, Leilani, Catherine, Matthew, and more.
What school will you be attending next year, and how do you feel about attending a totally different school?
Kennedy and Anaheim, and I feel nervous because I don't know how it's gonna be over there.
I will be attending Sierra Intermediate School, and I feel kind of exciting because I'm gonna see my sister there.
I know it's a bit early to ask, but how do you guys see yourselves in the future? What do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to be an artist because I'm creative, and by creative I mean I like to draw, paint, and color.
I don't know what am I gonna be in the future, but in the future I want to be a painter, like paint some walls, some floors, and more of that so it won't get old.
Before we finish, would you like to say something else?
This school is an awesome school. Very good school.
I like to say thank you to Miss Barriga for letting us do the 5th grade a perspective at Hoover Elementary School.
Thank you. Good luck in 6th grade.